Hello future developers, welcome to our channel. Whether you're a college student, a fresh graduate, or someone with some experience looking to excel in front-end web development, you're in the right place. Today, we'll outline a crisp and exciting roadmap to help you start and thrive in the world of front-end development. Let's get started. You might be wondering why choose front-end development in 2025? Let's explore the compelling reasons and the promising career prospects in this field. According to recent insights, the demand for front-end developers spans various sectors, including healthcare, e-commerce, and gaming. This trend indicates a robust job market for front-end developers in the coming years. Now let's talk about the financial prospects. In the United States, the average annual salary for a front-end developer is approximately $110,412. These figures highlight the lucrative opportunities available in front-end development, both in India and internationally. Moreover, the future of front-end development is set to be shaped by emerging trends such as no-code, low-code platforms, progressive web apps, and single-page applications. Staying abreast of these trends will ensure you remain competitive in the job market. In summary, 2025 presents a promising landscape for aspiring front-end developers with high demand, competitive salaries, and exciting technological advancements. It's an opportune time to embark on or advance in your front-end development career. Now that we've explored the why, let's delve into the how. Here's your roadmap to becoming a successful front-end developer. Every great developer starts with a solid foundation. Begin by mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These core technologies are the building blocks of the web. Understand semantic HTML for structuring content and CSS for styling. Responsive design is key, so ensure your layouts work seamlessly across devices. Gain proficiency in JavaScript to add interactivity to your websites. Focus on ES6 plus features to write modern and efficient code. Version control is essential for tracking changes and collaborating with others. Learn Git to manage your codebase effectively. Platforms like GitHub or GitLab are industry standards for hosting repositories. To build dynamic user interfaces, familiarize yourself with popular frameworks and libraries. React, a widely used library for building user interfaces. React's component-based architecture promotes reusability and efficient rendering. Explore other frameworks like Vue.js or Angular to broaden your skill set and adapt to different project requirements. Ensure your applications provide a seamless experience across various devices and screen sizes. Utilize CSS frameworks like Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS, or modern component libraries like ShadCN to expedite responsive design implementation. Learn to use CSS media queries to create adaptable layouts for different screen dimensions. Apply your skills by building real-world projects. A strong portfolio showcases your abilities to potential employers. Here are some project ideas that you might try. Develop a personal blog, an e-commerce site, or a task management app to demonstrate your expertise. Then create a professional portfolio website to display your projects and provide insights into your development process. The tech industry evolves rapidly. Stay ahead by continuously learning and adapting. Follow industry leaders. Engage with content from industry experts through blogs, podcasts, and social media. Enroll in advanced courses to deepen your knowledge and stay current with emerging technologies. Building connections within the developer community can open doors to opportunities and collaborations. Participate in local or virtual events to learn and network with peers. Engage in open source projects to gain experience and contribute to the community. By actively networking and engaging with the community, you enhance your learning journey and open up new career opportunities. Remember, the tech industry thrives on collaboration and shared knowledge. So don't hesitate to reach out, share your experiences, and learn from others. Your next big opportunity might just be a conversation away. Front-end development is one of the most exciting fields in tech, and you're just getting started on a rewarding journey. Follow this roadmap, practice consistently, and you'll be leveling up before you know it. Remember, coding is all about learning, building, and having fun. All the resources that you need are linked in the description below, so go check them out. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button Hit subscribe for more awesome content and share your thoughts or questions in the comments.